A powerful tornado struck Santa Cruz. It came without warning, so suddenly that even meteorologists didn't have time to alert the public. People were simply caught in the path of destruction. It's terrifying to imagine what those on the streets went through when the storm hit. These images make one thing clear. Despite all our technology and discoveries, we are still just specks of dust against the vast and unpredictable force of nature.
В огромном царстве природы.
In 2021, the Comoros Islands experienced several significant storms. One of them was Tropical Storm Joba. According to some reports, wind speeds then reached 75 kilometers per hour with gusts up to 100 kilometers per hour. Mud flow in the French Alps. A sudden, fast flow of water caused by intense rainfall purposefully carries rocks, debris, and chips down the slope. When you watch this, you understand how important it is to respect nature and its uncontrollable power. No one would want to be at the foot of the slope during such a riot. On June 24, 2021, a powerful tornado hit the southeastern Czech Republic, causing terrible consequences. Many homes were destroyed or severely damaged, leaving hundreds of people homeless. In addition, more than 40,000 households were left without electricity and damage affected about 2,000 buildings.
Лавина большая, очень большая. Ёлки-палки. О, блин, на сковородке народ. Ой-ой-ой. Блин, мимо бы прошла. Короче, и там еще народ. Сейчас пулевая лавина до нас еще дойдет. Ну все, выжидаем теперь.
This video is scary from the first frames, but this is only the beginning. The hurricane will appear in all its destructive power in a few seconds. Merciless gusts of wind tear off roofs, break trees, turn over cars. Everything that seemed solid and stable instantly turns into splinters. Have you ever been caught in a hailstorm? If so, you'll feel the full pain from this video. Giant hail balls the size of tangerines literally attack a small town in the USA. Nature spares no one, even Lamborghini. The hail seriously damaged the car, and it is certainly a shame, but the main thing is that no one was hurt. You can say the owner of the car was lucky. On December 9, 2024, Mount Canlaon erupted in the Philippines. It is one of the most active volcanoes in the country. The giant erupted with a column of ash and then erupted with a mixture of hot ash and debris. And in just a few days, experts recorded 6 volcanic earthquakes in the area.
Alert ka mo, kaya naglupok naman ng bulkan. Oh mga guys, sorry naman guys, naglupok naman ang amon yung bulkan guys.
Lightning in Mecca cut the sky into pieces for several minutes and suddenly struck the spire of the Royal Clock Tower, Burj Al Bayt. A terrifying and hypnotizing sight. A terrible storm near the city of Niamey in West Africa.
Okay.
In the world, that's what we doing.
May God protect us.
And like it's clear everything. Like,
So everything is closed?
Yeah.
Ah,
turn your lights on to see.
what? C'est pourquoi nous voitures dérapent.
That's like, that's mine.
Otava 2022. The storm shows its power to man. And here is the result. The wind rages and the branches of a mighty tree break like matches. Shocking footage of flooding in Perez de Leon Hospital in Venezuela.